how to activate chat heads in Messenger on your iPhone. So those chat heads that come up as notifications on your phone, they may not be working. It's real easy to make sure that they keep popping up on your phone. So to activate this, you don't need to go into your Messenger app, but you need to go into your settings. So let's go over to our settings. And what you want to do here is scroll down until you see where it says notifications. And you're going to have all these types of things going on, but you want to scroll down until you find your Messenger app. So we can keep going down. Hopefully you know your alphabet, and we'll go to Messenger. And from here, you want to make sure that this is toggled on, allow notifications. You want to go down to where it says alerts, and you want to make sure that your lock screen, notification center, and your banners are all turned on as well. And then from here, what you want to do is go to banner style. As you see, I have it on temporary, so they can fade away. They will go away. But if you want to have it on there all the time until you interact with it, you can go ahead and hit persistent. That way, it will not go away until you physically open up the message or do something with it. And that's it. It's real easy to activate the